Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Welcome to Next Stop English. Are you an A1 or A2 English learner who struggles to speak quickly? This video is your perfect solution. We are going to practice 100 useful sentences that people use every day in real life. The secret to speaking English naturally is automatic repetition. In this special long speaking practice video, we will focus on everyday English speaking practice. You will listen to each of the 100 essential phrases and repeat them until they become automatic. No more thinking, just speaking. We cover essential topics like greetings, shopping, daily routine, and asking for help. The goal is to train your mouth and brain to use these common phrases instantly. Let's make English automatic. Repeat after me to improve your speaking skills. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Not bad, thanks. What about you? Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from Spain. See you later. Have a good day. I feel tired today. I am very happy. Excuse me, please. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast now. I go to work by car. I start work at 9 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go back home. I cook dinner tonight. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed early. What time is it? It is 10 past 3. I will do it tomorrow. The bus is always late. How much is this? That is too expensive. I will buy this book. Can I pay by card? Here is the cash. I need the receipt. Where is the counter? Do you have a smaller size? I am just looking. I want to try this on. The total is $50. I need some help. Can you open this? It is on sale now. Thank you for your service. Food and restaurant. 15 sentences for ordering food and speaking with waiters. Can I see the menu? I want a glass of water. I will have the chicken. I don't eat meat. This food is delicious. I need a napkin. Can I have the bill, please? We need 2 more chairs. Is the coffee hot? I prefer juice. Are you ready to order? We will share a dessert. Everything was perfect. I feel full now. Please take my plate. Where is the train station? How can I get to the bank? Is it far from here? Go straight ahead. Turn left at the traffic lights. It is on your right. Can you show me on the map? I am lost, sorry. I live in the city center. My house is near the park. I take the subway often. Is this the right way? The museum is closed. Let's walk there. The hotel is close. I like this song. I think it is a good idea. I don't agree with you. What is your opinion? Can you help me with this? I need to ask a question. Please speak slower. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I am sorry about that. Thank you for your time. That sounds great. I am not sure. Let's meet at 4 o'clock. I need to leave now. It is sunny today. I think it will rain. Is it cold outside? I need my umbrella. What are you doing this weekend? I am going to the beach. Do you want to join us? I have no plans. Maybe next time. Let's make a plan soon.